ikaw gusto mo. Ikaw guys, we're here at Block 22. See, this is the option waffle one. And this is the fries. This is another one. You could choose the option for a waffle or a bun. But this is the specialty of this restaurant. And it's here only in Mandurriao, Block 22 housing. Uh, near the Plaza Housing Project. And they offer also gloves for you to mukbang via hand.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
That's very nice. And it's really, you can play games while waiting. This is not a fast food restaurant. You could also deliver this one, of course, to Maxine.
Wow.
Just always give a tip for your rider for the waiting time, you know. And this one.
Ano naman yan?
Yes. Just fries with meat over it. See it. Egg. Complete breakfast meal. Also this one. See the bun. And my wife is ready to eat it. Okay. Give it to her.
Ano na niya kaya?
Waffle. It's a waffle. You can play dominoes, snakes and ladders, and the crocodile. So my wife is already pissed off. I have to go. See you on my next vlog.